find the equation of the line that contains the point 3, -4, and is perpendicular to the line 2x minus y is equal to -3. Now to find the equation of a line, we use the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And we have one of our points, which is 3 comma -4. That's our x1 and y1. So what we need to find, what's left over, is the slope, which isn't given outright. However, we do have a line perpendicular to it. And remember, the slopes of two perpendicular lines, when you multiply them, give you -1. So from the perpendicular line, we can find the slope of the line we're looking for. So let's look at this perpendicular line here. So we have, let's do this in red so that we know we're not really computing our line. So we have 2x minus y is equal to -3. We want to put this in slope-intercept form so that we can find the slope of this line. So let's just subtract a 2x from each side. We have -y is equal to -2x minus 3. And then dividing both sides of the equation by -1, we have that y is equal to 2x plus 3. So the slope of this perpendicular line is 2. But we know that the slope of any line, of two perpendicular lines, say m1 and m2, when you multiply them, is going to give you -1. So since we're looking at the perpendicular line, we want a number, m2, such that when you multiply it by 2, it gives you -1, right? So dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we get that m2 is equal to -1/2. So this is actually the slope of the line that we're looking for. So now we have the slope and we have the point that we're looking for. Now we can use this point slope formula. So y minus y1, which is -4, is equal to m, which is -1/2, times x minus x1. So now let's simplify. Y plus 4 is equal to -1/2 x plus 3/2. I just distributed the -1/2 into this difference. So then I'm going to subtract a 4 from each side. Y is equal to -1/2 x plus 3/2 minus 4. And then if we want to combine these two, we have to have a common denominator of 2. So we have y is equal to -1/2 x plus 3/2 minus 8/2. And finally, combining these two fractions under the same denominator, we have y is equal to a -1/2 x plus 3 minus 8, that's minus 5 over 2. So that's the equation of the line, which is perpendicular to this line given above, and which contains those 2 points. We have, what is it again? Y is equal to -1/2 x minus 5 over 2.